गोंय सरकारान IIT गोंयान हाडची, मात ताचे खातीर मेळावलेच्या लोकांचेर अन्याय करून तांणी सांबाळून दवरिल्ली तांची भाटां घेवची न्ही. वेर्णा हांगासर गोंय सरकारान घेतिल्ली लाखांनी चौरस मीटर सुवात पडून आसा. ती सुवात IIT खातीर सरकारान उपेग करचो, अशें गोंयचो आवाज संघटना आनी युनायटेड गोवन फावंडेशनाच्या वांगड्यांनी पणजेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन सरकाराक सुचयलां.
वेर्ना आणि किटोन हेय बी सरकारान आपल्या ताब्यात आशिल्ली जमनीचेर कित्याक मत दिवंक ना, चित दिलें ना. आमकां मेळावलीच्या लोकांक माडोवया नाका, तांकां बेघर करुया नाका. तांचे वन आमी राखुया. वन रक्षक म्हणटात म्हणल्यार वनाचे खातें वन रक्षकाचें काम करिना. आतां जर आमी कितें म्हणटा ताचेर सरकारान एक विनंती करता, आयकून घेयात आणि समजून घेयात. आता गेल्या 10 वर्सां मायज SEZची सगळी जमीन आसा, आता तरी ती तुमच्या कंप्लीट सबंद ताब्यान आसा सरकाराच्या. आणि वेर्ना गेले जाल्यार ताका खुबश्यो सवलती बरे प्रकारे थंय आसा, उपलब्ध आसा. गोवा युनिवर्सिटी बगलेकूच आसा, एअरपोर्ट आसा, विमानतळ आसा, थंय गाडयेन येतलो जाल्यार स्टेशन आसा, गाडी रेल्वे वास्को मडगांव पणजी सुद्दां लागीं आसा. रस्ते कनेक्टेड उत्तम सोय आसा, ती कनेक्शनाची उदक लायट रस्तो हे सगळे आनी विसिनिटी एक एड्युकेशनल हब करपाक ही एकदम योग्य जमीन अशें दिसता. म्हणून आमी सरकाराक हो प्रपोजल सुचयता.
I am arrogant in saying that any which ways the IIT will come up in Walpoi, in Melauni, has now turned around and actually basically representing to the government that the IIT has to be shifted. We all Goans know that projects like IIT are important for the state of Goa, but since the government never involves the people of Goa, the problem is that they never understand which place will easily attract that sort of investment and which place the villagers will be more than happy to have those projects in their villages. A couple of days back we basically had a Facebook campaign wherein we just proposed that IIT Kittur should be an alternative site. You wouldn't believe we had about 1,23,000 views for that particular post of United Goans Foundation, and there were no comments against that basic proposal. So today we come here with a representation which we have made to the Chief Minister of Goa, to the Honorable Governor of Goa, to Mr. Vishwajit Rane, and also to the Union Minister of Education, Mr. Nishank. We have basically emailed this representation to them. The physical copies are here, which we are going to go to the Chief Minister and present it to him in person. The two options which we mentioned here in this proposal are basically Kittur, and the second one, which we feel is more relevant, more suited and more justified for Goa, is at Verna. When the SEZ policy had come through, the GIDC acquired somewhere around 38 lakh square meters of land. Today the GIDC is having 22 lakh square meters of land, unused land, which is there at Verna phase 4. This land is basically free of any encumbrances. Rather, to repossess the land from the SEZ promoters, GIDC took a loan of somewhere around 250 crores, for which on a monthly basis, they are paying an EMI of 3 crore 90 lakhs. We have to realize one thing, that successive governments in Goa come out with policies which basically they think require land acquisition. And as on date, there are crores of square meters of land in Goa which are lying vacant, from the IT park at Talegaon to the planned one at Mershe to the 35 lakh square meters or SEZ land to some other land. And plus, even after having all this land, they want to acquire more land.